So welcome back in the garage. We're going to crack straight on today and get that floor pan hopefully in place and all in shape, and we can start doing a bit of tack welding. So let's go, I'll show you what's going on. Let's do it. So this is where I was in the last video, just getting that shape down there. As you can see, getting this bit done today and getting this shape here, that's quite a way out, so I've got to try and get this curve onto that plate in there. So what I was thinking about doing is probably getting a couple of bits of metal just so that sits level with the other bit of floor. Just tack a couple of bits, 3 bits of metal along here just to get that bit there right, so then I can get that bit over there. Because if I start shaping it there and that sort of folds bit here, that will drop there, so as you can see there. So that's the plan. Going to get this bit done now. A lot of movements up here, as you can see here, while pushing this. There's a lot there. It's got to go down into that very front bit. So that's what we're going to try and get around to doing as well at the same time. So we'll get that bit over there done first, and then we'll start working our way around and getting that shape. Let's get cracking on. Let's go. So I've got this cleaned up on this side, as you can see there, ready to get welded in. So that's all come up nice. So I'm happy with that. I'll go on the other side. Also cut off all this bit here, the excess welding, what was welded over before, the other panel. Sorted all that out as well, so that's all ready to go. And also welded up all these bits here, and this bit here now is soldered on there. So that's all ready to get put back in, and then start modifying this bit here of the floor so I can get that all in and cut away. So we'll carry on just getting this all in shape now down this side, and then I'll get this, probably some holes drilled in here, and get some more bolts in and push it up against this panel here. So that should be all snug against that bit there, you see. So that's what we'll do. We'll carry on now. So as you can see, it's in there now, so I'm going to drill some holes in this bit here to pull this bit level floor, and then I'll start pushing all that against here, tacking it in and getting that other bit tacked in. As you can see down here is a bit of a gap, so that will have to come across a lot further down there, as you can see, and then I can pull that bit in and get that all pushed into there as well. So it looks good. I'm pleased with it. So it's looking good. So just get this bit all in, then it's just a matter of getting the edges done and pulling it all in. So I'll have a whole complete floor one side pretty much. apart from this bit, but we've got to work on that when we do that other bracket. Let's crack on getting these holes drilled in here to pull that in, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with the rest. So we are making a bit of progress now. As you can see, this bit here is just going to be able to just weld in and get this all done and pull this bit in this way, and that'll get that shape. These bits are after I can then sort of shape this more round here to get some of that dent out and some of this, but that can all be done once it's in. But the gap is a lot smaller up there now, which is good, so I can get a bit of like sealant down there once it's all done, and along this bit here. I'll just show you the other side. So there you go, there's a nice, so there you go, it's all nice against here. It's nice, there you go, it's all snug in there, all nice and tight, and up there, as you can see there, this gap is going to have to be bridged a little bit here when I pull this pan down a bit more, but well, I mean, we've got it in pretty much now. It's all bolted in this bit here, so it's all in place to pretty much be welded in really. So what the plan is now, it's pretty much there. The next step is to take it back out, get all these little holes drilled, the spot welds to all be welded in. I think that's what I'm going to do next. Clean it all up, paint it. I've got some little bits of welding I want to do underneath to strengthen it a bit more. When I put the legs on here, it's bolted, it's welded up. This bit here, so you can see it, that bit there, I want to weld it from the other side to strengthen that up as well, and I'll do the same on the other side. I might do some little modifications inside that other bit as well, the lower cross member, but we'll see when we get it out. So that's the plan. So get this all taken out, get it all sort of mopped up, as you say, get it all cleaned up and painted. and then I can come in, tack weld it onto this bit, and then I can cut out exactly what I need to cut away from this bit, and then just get it welded in. But I think that is going to be the plan, I think, moving forward. So that is the end of the video. I was hoping to get it a little bit longer, but I didn't have the chance to get around to getting a long one out. So that's all I've done, but I will try my best to get it a little bit further on after the new year. I was trying to get on before Christmas, but it didn't work out, so never mind. So I hope you had a good Christmas and hope you have a good New Year. I want to say a big thank you for everyone supporting me on the channel. Thank you very much. Keep subscribing, keep liking, keep commenting. Love it, and a big, massive thanks for Dave for his support as well. And I will see you soon. So get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.